Hello, hello. That was rude. Hey everybody, how are you? Sorry it's been so long since my last update. Oh my god, like, it was my birthday, so I was like, I'm gonna take a little time off, and then like life got in the way of my parents and came out from Florida with my little sister. Ugh, it was just crazy. But I'm back for now. Got my drink right here. Shout out to my homegirl who got me the Starbucks cup a couple Christmases ago. But anyway, let's get right in. We're here to do you mind, like, people just want to come for you when you try to do your unboxing. But you know what we're here for? We're here for this Jeffree Star unboxing. So as you know, I didn't open it. I got the big one because either you go big or go home. We're just going to make sure that y'all don't see this because it's my address. And unless you're sending me gifts, you don't need it. Love y'all. Let's dive on in because this is really what you guys came here for. I'm gonna take a little blade and cut this open. So I didn't even address the big fact that I cut my hair. From the last video, yes, I cut it all off. There was nothing wrong with it. My stylist got pregnant when we're so happy for her. So I hope I'm not throwing your business out there. But so yeah, I cut all my hair off, and I think it was for the best. You know, like sometimes we just have to do things and, you know, change it up. So it will be, when it grows back out, we will be dyeing it more colors. But that's not what you came for. You didn't come here to talk about my hair. You came about to see what's in this box. So let's get into it. So let's rip it over. Ooh, okay. Now I got the deluxe one, which is supposed to be, it was like $160. It's supposed to be over $300 worth of products. So let's see if it is. Oh my god. What is this? Yo, I got the velour tracksuit. Sick. That's the bottom. That's the top. Oh, it's a yellow. And let me tell you, I was looking for something for yellow. And my sister's like, why are you gonna wear yellow? Ooh. 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 I'm done. I'm just, with just that alone, I'm okay. I'm happy. I really am, honestly, truly. Oh my god, y'all don't even know what's in here. Oh my god, what color is this? Yes! Oh my god, so I got the Caramel Kiss Skin Frost. I actually wanted this one. When this dropped, the 3 came out. I got the green one, and I wanted this one. And it sold out before I can get it. Because you know when you be buying on Jeffree and it's a new release, they sell quick. So I was fighting and I just didn't make it into the cart. But I got it now, so suckers. Okay, so that's 3. It's supposed to be 13 items. So I guess this is a mystery. Maybe it's not a mystery shade. I don't know. Shape up reason. This is Zombie Kiss. Okay. What else we got? We got Yummy. Okay. What's this one? This one is Venus Flytrap. Alright, that's a nice little green shade. Okay, so we have Cucumber Mint lip scrub. I do love the lip scrubs. And it's mint. And y'all know your boy loves mint. So we're going to try this one out. I saw the vanilla mint. I have to say that one's my favorite so far. I've only tried that one and the strawberry one. And this will be the 3rd, so we'll see. Okay. Oh wait, we're supposed to be counting. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're at 7. We got the straw. A nice orange straw, and it's metal. Oh, and the brush cleaner is inside this time. Because I know y'all was trying to read people last time. Alright, so that's cute. So we got the straw. That's 8. Okay, 6. Okay, so we got the mini Jawbreaker palette. That's 9. I already have this. I bought it on the original launch. So I'll probably give this away for Christmas to somebody. Or just keep it. Who knows? You know I love it. Oh, okay. What's this? Okay. So this is the mini velour liquid lipsticks. Okay. And Love Me Not. Alright, so this looks like the red one. That's kind of cute. I mean, I'm never gonna wear it, but it's cute. Oh, cool. I got vinyl. the prom night vinyl. That's cool. Ain't got no record player, but that's cute. So we were at 9, 10, 11. Okay, here's 12. Oh, Dominatrix is the planner. And we got the classic mirror. I think I knew I was getting this. I don't know. I saw it in everybody else's unboxings, so whatever. Let's see what color we got. Oh, we got orange. Alright. How cute. We know. I might start using the orange one only because I got the blue one from the Blue Blood collection, and y'all know blue's my favorite color. And I don't want nothing to happen to her. So, all in all, I think it was a great day in Hollywood. I really love this. I think, am I happy with what I got? Yeah, of course, yes. I mean, is there one thing I might not use? That I know I don't have a record player, but it's kind of like cool to have. And you know what? I'm not being shady because I do have records, even though I don't have a record player. So I think it's more like a work of art. So I'll probably put this in like a shadow box, like I have my other records in the box. You go. The mirror. I mean, they're classic, so these allow you to be a part of the collection. That's cool. So I'm happy with this. The Love Me Not mini liquid lips. I mean, I've never tried them, so I know I get them all the time. I usually just give them away for gifts because I'm not a lip person at all. But this is cool. I like the box. I like the brand ding. I love the colors. I love the ombre effect, and it's really cute on the inside. So I don't know if I should separate them and give them as Christmas gifts. I think I just leave them how they are and just let it be like wall art. What's this one? Wifey. Yeah, see? That's cute. But it kind of like defeats the purpose if you take it out, so you kind of have to leave it together. So maybe somebody will get the whole thing for Christmas. Who knows? Who wears reds? Half my friends. You know we love the straw. Matter of fact, we gotta wash the straw because that's how I do. Love you, Jeffree, but I still gotta wash the straw. That's going in there. You know, the mini palette. You know, this is actually a really, really nice palette. So I'm happy with this. These colors nobody has. Actually, sometimes use these for looks for liners. So these will work. Actually, they'll work very well with this palette. Like this is looks, child, looks. I am over the moon about this one. The caramel kiss. That's how I feel. So we love that. And the cucumber mint lip scrub. These things take forever to go away because you only use a little bit each day. But Lord, I'm happy I got it. And y'all know I'm really about to try this mess. And like, y'all know I'm a big boy, so for them to have my size, I want to say thank you for repping for the big boy. This isn't. Oh, it don't even smell like. You know how sometimes you get things and they have that weird like factory / other world smell? It does. It smells fresh. Maybe it's because it's been traveling. It's a world travel jacket. I look good in this, y'all. Y'all let me know. I look good. I got this. Oh, this is soft. Oh, hi. How are you? So that was it. I'm living for this. It was so soft and warm. You know, it's cold up here, so we're gonna try this whole outfit on. You know, we're gonna dress to impress. So, love ya. I love this unboxing, and if you liked the video, subscribe. If you didn't, I really don't care. Subscribe anyway, so you can hate on me, like the world does. They hated on Jesus, so you know they're gonna hate on me. Anyway, see you guys next time. Come on through. Oh, and let me tell you, if you guys are not checking out my girl Bunny and Fawn, link down below. She is blown away with her Boo Fest. Y'all seen them looks? Homegirl is turning looks. Please go check out my friend. Like, these looks are bomb, y'all. Like, so much inspiration. Nay, girl, you are killing it, slaying the game. Let's give some of these smaller YouTubers a shout out, okay? Love y'all. Go check her out. Until next time. Deuces.